So if you now have this subset, it becomes more clear where the differences are between, for example, SAP Business ByDesign and S/4HANA. If you don't look at everything, only a certain subset, because each industry or each customer obviously uses a certain subset of it. But now with this process technology, it is so easy to build a subset. You don't have to reinvent the wheel all the time and find a solution. And now this is exactly what we say, because then if you have some red in here, like here and here and here, so for example, this is what you as a customer needs, or what your customer needs, and if all of these are required steps, and you have here some red, it means SAP Business ByDesign does not support it. So in the sense of our presentation, so this would be the full view, because this is everything. But maybe you don't need everything for your mid-market customer, or if you are a mid-market customer, you don't need everything. You can focus on the smaller set of requirements. After you have filtered only your requirements, you have the green spots here, here and here. These are the things that are covered by Business ByDesign as well. But if we look at this one here, this is the area which is needed for the mid-market, but it's not supported by SAP Business ByDesign, but only by S/4HANA. And these are the red spots exactly here. And then if you have this, you can have a meaningful discussion based on facts on which you can decide, this is the process I need, but it's only in full supported by SAP S/4HANA, then I decide to buy S/4HANA. But then if you have another process in which you have only green, then you can say, okay, then I can decide for SAP Business ByDesign. It sounds so simple, and it is simple if you have this tool. But if you don't have this tool, then it is very challenging and very difficult, obviously. So this is how we solve this kind of problems. So it's a very not only intuitive tool, but also a very advanced functionality. This is the document flow as I showed in the beginning. So it's also very intuitive and understandable overview about the whole process then in the system. Goods issue, goods, and so on. And what I really like, maybe you can look forward to next time, is this document flow section here, which also consists of the journal entries that have been created in the course of producing this end-to-end document flow. And I can promise you there's something very interesting to see next time, because we have here this button, display is T accounts. So this will be very exciting next time. Really, when I saw it, I loved it so much. I loved it so much. This is something I always wished to have in SAP Business ByDesign. I couldn't even imagine that this was possible. We did so many slides to show the flow of value of the journal entries from account to account, but now this is built as a standard functionality in SAP S/4HANA, and I really love it. So you have really something to look forward for to next episode, where we go into more detail into that. And as we can see, SAP Business ByDesign does not support it. In this case, we need S/4HANA Cloud. It's as simple as that. So if you have this tool, then it is simple to decide. Very simple to decide, because you only have to select your end-to-end process, see if it is red or green, and then you can decide if you buy SAP S/4HANA or SAP Business ByDesign. Of course, if you don't have the tool, then it's very difficult. So, if you like this kind of content, don't miss our program on SAP Business ByDesign versus SAP S/4HANA Compare the Facts. We will be using the most advanced tools and methods to compare these two extraordinary SAP ERP cloud solutions. It will consist of 7 live webinar sessions per 90 minutes within 7 weeks. The sessions start in February and the language is English. So, what will you learn? The key takeaways are mastering the cloud ERP comparison, understanding the differences and similarities, and plan a roadmap. So, find all the information how to join the program on our program landing page compare.adapro.info. Hope to see you there.